Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again. So today is a hair video. Yes, you know the hair videos, right? So today I will be trying the Cream of Nature with argan oil strengthening hair mask. So I'm going to be trying this. I hope you guys can read that. I'm not sure, but yeah, so I will be trying this. I want to see how it's going to react on my colored hair because I really need a mask and I don't have any colored hair mask product. Okay, so here we are. So I do have my hair. I just took my braids out. So yeah, so this is what we got. I didn't wash my hair last week, so I know there's going to be a lot of shedding today, but so I do have it in yeah, I have it like this. So I'm just gonna part it in half and I will start with the process. All right, so yep, so here we are. So I got this one side and I actually have used it on my son's hair. So this is the consistency. You know how it just kind of smells like, I don't know, medicine. I don't know. It's not very pleasant smell at all. But yes. So I'm going to start at the back. And I'm gonna twist this out of the way. I know it's gonna unravel. So right there, and then I'm gonna get, and I'm gonna rub it in my hands. I'm just gonna start applying it in my hair. I might have to use a lot because my hair. And I'm gonna move on to the next section. I like the way, again, my hair feels, I don't know, it feels soft. I might have to put a lot because my hair is so thick. So I might have to like put a lot of it in there. Yep, this is gonna work. It actually feels really nice on the hair. Like, I think this is like the first product that I've used before on my natural hair color that is actually feeling really nice on my colored hair. This is really good. This is a plus for me. Wow. Argan oil, y'all are doing a great job with these products. I'm telling you. Wow. Okay, smooth. So I got that part done. And I'm just gonna twist it like this. Just like so. Alright guys, so I just finished the whole process now. So I'm just going to put this plastic paper on, and maybe I might go I might use the hair dryer. I'm not sure, so we'll just see. So I'm just gonna put this in my hair, and I might use the hair dryer. I'm not sure, you know, because I want my hair to be, you know, to be healthy. This is how I'm going. This is just one of the steps that I'm taking to take care of my colored treated hair. So deep treatments, okay, are required for this. So other than that, guys, stay tuned for the results. So deuces.